Alright. Alright. Hi, everybody. I got a taste testing YouTube video today. Now do I taste them? Now do I taste them?
Mm-hmm. What's that one called?
I don't remember.
White fudge marshmallow.
White fudge marshmallow. Mmm. That's pretty good.
Okay, try the other one.
All
What's
right.
that one called?
I don't remember.
Key lime slime.
Key lime slime. That's very good. Now I remember the name of this drink.
What are you going to try now?
Ecto Cooler. That's pretty good.
What's your favorite one? What's your favorite Twinkie?
I like both of them.
All right. Is there anything else that you want to say?
What do I say?
I don't know.
Subscribe my YouTube video. What they taste like. Bye.